Setting up the amp, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, set up the amp. This is a common expression, especially for those interested in music. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Set up the amp is a phrase that is often used in the context of music. The word amp is short for amplifier, a device used to enhance the sound of musical instruments, particularly electric guitars. To set up means to assemble or prepare something for use. So, when someone says they need to set up the amp, they mean they are preparing the amplifier to enhance the sound of their instrument. In everyday conversation, set up the amp can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it refers to the physical act of connecting and adjusting an amplifier for use. Metaphorically, it can imply getting ready for an important event or preparing to make an impact. For example, someone might say, "I'm setting up the amp for tonight's concert." Or metaphorically, "We need to set up the amp for our big presentation tomorrow." It's easy to confuse set up the amp with similar phrases. Remember, the focus is on preparation and enhancement. Don't confuse it with turn up the amp, which means to increase the volume. Also, be mindful of the context in which you use this phrase to avoid misinterpretation. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase set up the amp correctly. Whether you're talking about music or gearing up for a significant event, this phrase is both useful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.